Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Brandon with TAYLORSFIRE Smoke Cooking. Today we have a little bit of a different video. We're going to be doing an unboxing. This is from a company called Wildgrain, which is a membership box that delivers baked from frozen sourdough breads, fresh pastas, and artisan pastries right to our door. So I'm excited about this potential partnership. I love, baked from frozen breads or whatnot, and then fresh pasta. So they have pastries, they have breads and pastas in here. I'm excited to see what they sent me. Let's go ahead and open it up really quickly and see what we have. Alrighty. Again, this is baked from frozen, so everything comes packed really well. See, it has some dry ice packs in here. They just about out, but there's still a little bit of dry ice left. So this stuff should definitely be good and cold. They did send me a referral link and a code for $10 off if you decide to use it or sign up yourself. All right, we have some croissants. We have sourdough, which this is already baked. So I guess this is a thaw and serve. We have another type of sourdough bread here. This is called slow fermented 3-seed bread. We have some jumbo chocolate chip cookies. And then we have the fresh pasta here. We have, it's called tonarelli, which looks like a really thin spaghetti. And then we have some fettuccine right here. So that was the contents of the box. Like I said, everything does come frozen. So I'm excited to try it out. I just wanted to show you guys what we have coming up. Again, these cookies, my kids are probably going to love these. And I'm really excited to try this frozen pasta. And I'm sure we'll use one of these breads they sent along with it to make a meal. But I will have a referral link in the bottom there. And I will put my personalized link for $10 off your subscription, your first box, if you guys decide to do it. So be on the lookout for this. The company is called Wildgrain. Again, they are a company that specializes, it's a membership company that specializes in artisan breads, pastries, and fresh pasta. So you guys be on the lookout. We'll be cooking some of this stuff up real soon. I'll see you around.